This Headless Professor video is about how to use Scholar Google. To get there, just type scholar.google.com and you come to this page, which searches for articles in scholarly journals. Now, to do an advanced search, click over here where we have the three horizontal bars and select Advanced Search. Now we can use some Boolean connectors. By typing in the first box, we are using the connector of AND between the terms. By typing in the third box, we would be including the connector OR, and we'll get a lot more hits that way. We can further narrow down the number of hits we get by typing in an exact phrase. And it will just search for that particular phrase. We can also narrow things down by telling us which kinds of words we want to avoid and eliminating those articles that are retrieved that have a particular word that we don't really want to see. We can also reduce the number of hits by specifying we're looking for a keyword in the title, not just anywhere in the article. We can also include a specific name of someone who has authored the article or a specific journal. One of the best ways to reduce the number of hits is to just include recent dates. And the more important classic articles from long ago would still be cited in the reference list of that more recent article. Suppose you were interested in depression in later life, so you typed in the two words geriatric depression. See how many hits we have there. 850,000. Oh, that's a lot. We could reduce the number of hits by saying, suppose we just want to look at geriatric depression in Spain. Now it comes down to 35,000 hits. Or that's anywhere in the article. If we say we want to see it in the title, now we've got it down to one article. Adaptation of the Geriatric Depression Scale in Spain, a preliminary study. So that's how you can utilize Scholar Google and progressively reduce the number of hits that you get.